Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can update your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to game library, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games. Right here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right now, if you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, and here in the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and right here, you're gonna find the profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, system, and so on. Go ahead and click on system. And then once you click on system, here you're gonna find system, software, HDMI, BBM light, language, and so on. Go ahead and click on system software. And then here you're gonna find console information, system software, updates and settings, report system software errors automatically, and so on. Go ahead and click on system software updates and settings. Then once you do that right here, you're gonna find update system software. So if you want to update your system software, just go ahead and click right here, then choose the way you want to update your system software. You can either update it using internet or from your USB drive. As you can see guys right here, next to update system software, as you can see guys, it's up to date. If it's not up to date, it will appear right here, and then just click here, click update using internet, and then you're gonna be able to update your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.